Good afternoon, everyone. It's a very less crowd. I think it was raining outside, maybe the traffic jam and all. So our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of War India, I would like to welcome all of you to technical session of 3rd Southern India Information Technology Fair. So War India is a IT magazine, has been serving the nation from last 13 years and has grown from strength to strength. Today, War India has a circulation of 26,000 copies monthly. It prefers to number one IT publication in India. We have been organizing events in India from last 12 years. War India website, warindia.com carries about the latest news, views, analysis on the daily update on the industry on the real-time basis. War India News Service, otherwise VNS, reaches to 8 million subscribers on monthly basis. So what is the industry? Why the necessity of the technology session in Bangalore? As the industry has grown to the new era of cloud computing and cloud data storage, new data center to come up. Building base stations for network connectivity for some cloud is just the latest technology craze, but for others it is the future of computing. As it has already taken a center stage in the technology world, what seems certain is that cloud computing has the potential to bring about irreversible changes in the way computers are used around the world. Let's understand more from the IT corporate world how the technology innovation continues and how the industry can leverage on the technology for the better productivity. With among strong belief technology will survive for a long journey ahead, I expect everyone present here have a very good networking with each other. So this is our technical session. The main event is start at the evening. This is a channel meet where we will have the strong interaction from the channel association, system integrators, and some other customers, and also there is a great announcement also going to done by the Principal Secretary Commerce Industry, so M.N. Vidya Shankar. So you will find very interesting on the cloud, how the discussion point will be from the cloud security and broadband wireless, and how they are making it convergence in under one solution. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.